Hey Google. Good morning.
Hello, teacher. The time is 8:41 a.m. Today, there'll be showers with a forecasted high of 49 and a low of 47. Have a good one.
Let me check my phone. A new YouTube video. That's Teacher Dara. Hello students, hello teachers. Are you looking for something that can help you practice your English? Interesting. Tell me more. Please check out the Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook. This book is good for beginner and intermediate level students who are looking to learn the basics of the language. Hello everyone. The Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook. So welcome to Unit 9, Communications. This book looks interesting. Should I buy it? School is starting and I need supplies. There's notebooks. That's my favorite color, red. I'm definitely getting one of these. What else? I need a dictionary, okay. I need some pens. Let's see. Look at this. Wow, they have so many binders. I can't forget about my Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook. Oh, I hope I'm not late for class. Okay, students, please take out your workbook and please turn to page 14. Have you gotten your student workbook yet? Yes? No? What are you waiting for? You can order your student workbook through the phone. You can order the hardcover or you can download it on your cell phone. How great is that? Teacher Dara says, try your best. I can't wait to start using my student workbook. What about you? Hello students. Welcome to Applied ESL, an online English tutoring service with a creative approach. My name is Teacher Dara. Welcome to your video lessons. Watching today's lesson. Always try your... Oh, my Applied ESL family. The Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook now has a baby sister. Let's take a look inside. First one has all my information, the purpose of the workbook. The purpose of this workbook is for students to practice what they learn via video lessons and or tutoring sessions, because I am a service, so if you work with me, we will be using the workbook. This workbook is a continuation of the Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook 1. So it's a continuation, okay? My students, you're going to like this. This workbook introduces slang from New York City, informal English expressions, and how they are used in conversation and specific situations.
Next level.
Story time, because when I try to make my face look serious, I laugh at myself. So it took many, as we say in English, takes, which means many times, okay, to take this picture to show that I am in pain. Okay, just know, friends, that when I create materials like this, it takes time. It does not happen overnight, I promise you. In both workbooks, okay, you will see something called grammar points. I have definitions of all the vocabulary words that you see in this workbook. Appendix C, these are the answers to all the exercises. Worksheets. And then you have to write today is, whatever the date is, but you have to use the ordinal, right? So we don't say January 8th, we say January 8th. Try your best. The levels for both workbooks is for beginner and intermediate level. What you can do, fellow teachers, is you can use the materials from both these workbooks and you can customize it for your advanced learners. Always try your best. I'll see you very soon. Why should you check out Science Resource Book? Well, I must confess, I love science, don't you? And what great way to learn science is to learn various street science, store science, even COVID-19 signs. Yes, unfortunately, we have to learn what those signs are as well. The Science Resource Book is a collection of a variety of signs where it will show a picture of the sign. It will also explain the type of sign it is. I also include instructions because some signs have instructions like sidewalk closed, public restroom, because let's face it, when you gotta go, you gotta go. But you need to understand what you are reading on the sign. So definitely check out the Science Resource Book for all your sign learning needs as well as instruction. This is good for my ESL as well as adult literacy learners. Always try your best. And this is called the AppliedESL Job Readiness Workbook. Look at that. It's here, the Science Resource Book 2 International Edition. Let's take a look. Thank you all so much for sharing your street science with me, Teacher Dara. Get your free copy of the Science Resource Book 2 when you make a purchase on my website at AppliedESL.com/shop.